See how cheesy this one is.
Okay, we have a focus. All right.
Focus, you fuck!
So we have this Walmart quality snowblower here that's a few years old, to say the least.
Prime.
A few years past its prime. Still works. Still runs. So Andrew here decides that he needs to put the bottom plate back on, given that it fell off. To do that, we are pre-drilling a few holes and putting in some terrible cheese grade screws. Only the best from Home Depot.
Stainless steel doesn't mean it's anything less than cheese. That one's in there good.
Yeah. So, anyways.
Put your safety squints on.
Shout out to AVE. Fuck.
Fucking cheese grade rollers. Piece of shit.
Yeah.
Screw.
So we don't recommend buying this set from a local store that sells fucking everything.
You'd be better off finding screws in your fridge next to the vegetables.
And now that store that sells Canadian Tire, or not Canadian Tire, now that store Canadian Tire sells, you know, like sugar and other crap that you don't need.
They can't make a drill bit to save their lives. Well, we'll round this fastener off good.
Yeah. And when you don't have the proper tools and you use your leather buddy for drilling stuff in, they're dandy things. Get to the set that has the Robertson bits and whatnot.
Drill bit number 6.
Yeah, we're running out of drill bits. These are pure garbage. There's no other way to put it.
Oh, the other way to put it is cheese grade.
We have broken off one for each hole we've drilled now so far.
2 for the first one.
Did we break off 2 on the first one?
Yeah, because there was a gold one and a black one.
I don't think we broke off the black one on the first one though. You might need to plug that in.
Yeah, helps.
Alright, Andrew. Let's go 6 for 6.
Let's try to get it on the metal.
Wow.
Okay.
You didn't break it.
That's this one.
Compared to my terrible camera work.
Phone hammer work.
Yeah.
You can see the awesome handiwork on the auger control.
Oh yes.
Did a nylon rope and a screwdriver to keep the tension. This fastener is sufficiently rounded off. It's not gripping in the fuck off. Those are where we drill at. Perfection is not our goal here.
We're just looking for okay.
I just don't want the cover to fall off next time I snowball, which is going to be tomorrow.
Yeah, we're supposed to get a nice weather system. What do you call it? A snow event?
So that's what they call them now?
Yeah.
That you find your wilt.
Hey, that thing doesn't do too bad, I must say.
I think this is the right size drill bit for these screws. After going through 6 drill bits. Made in Canada. Only the most high quality thing here.
Yeah, at least it's not made in the UK where it'll catch fire.
I'd rather that.
Yeah, so we've got our...
How much fuel's leaking on the carburetor.
I don't know if this thing rotates when I turn it. Fuel? I don't see any fuel leaking out.
Because there's no fuel in it.
Probably. Should you fill up your gas can?
Fuel system probably froze.
Should probably fill up my gas can tonight. I'm gonna be on the go like 5 o'clock tomorrow morning to get snowblowing done. Before he tells me at 6:30 that I don't have to go to work. Well, don't break off that now.
We only broke off 3 screws.
Yes. Was this the part where I'm supposed to come in French?
I think so.
Tabernacle. Alright,
Oh, that's on there.
so she's sufficiently on there. Not falling off.
There's no shear pins in the auger anymore. They're just bolts, cheese grade bolts, I should say.
Yeah, sure, pin. Same
I know
shit.
what grade 5 means. Grade 5 for Home Depot means cheese.
Yeah.
At least she might work.
Want to see if she ons?
Is that lubricant or is that gas? Oh, that's gas.
That's gas.
Alright, open the door.
Alright. Jesus, fits her. Oh, that is good.